Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and I have really enjoyed using this eSalon Velvet Primer Smoothing Balm. It gives me a look that is frizz-free, smooth, and soft, just like when I go to the hair salon. And let me tell you, a little bit goes a long way. I just use a pea-sized amount on my towel dried hair, and I can either air dry it or use styling tools right after. You can also add an even smaller amount to dry hair before you style it to get a super smooth look. It's also designed for color treated hair, which is really important to me. I love having this eSalon Velvet Primer Smoothing Balm because I love the way my hair looks when I use it. It's so smooth and frizz-free, and that's my point of view.